Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I am now dealing with 6th class mathematics, that is understanding 3D and 2D shapes. In that earlier I have done about certain shapes and all. Now I am going to do exercise 14.1. This exercise 14.1 first problem is a triangle pyramid has a triangular base. A small shape of triangular pyramid means this, children. This is a triangular pyramid. Let me show you. This is a triangular pyramid. It has got a triangular base. The base is in the form of a triangle. See, this is a triangular base. A triangular pyramid has triangular base and it is known as tetrahedron. This shape is called as tetrahedron. It is a triangular base it has got. All the sides are also triangular in nature. Now the question is, find the number of faces. How many faces are there, children? See, this is one face. This is one face, two. This is third one, three faces, and fourth. So how many number of faces it is having? It is having 4 faces. I'll write answer with this pen. It has got 4 faces. And how many number of edges it is having? Edges means this side. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Totally 6. See, for this triangle 1, 2, 3. And this already we have measured. So 4, 5. And here already we have measured this and this. This we have to measure. Total 6 edges it is having. So how many number of edges it is having? It is having 6 edges. And number of vertices. How many it is having the number of vertices? This is called vertex, children. So this is 1, 2, 3 and the top one, 1, 4. Total 4 vertices are there. So number of vertices are 4. This is the answer for the first one, children. And second one, a square pyramid has square at its base. So this is a square pyramid, children. This is a square pyramid. The square pyramid has square at its base. This is square at its base. So each side triangular surfaces. These all are combining to form a pyramid. So see, this is the top one vertex and these are all the triangular sides and this is the square. So this we call it as a square pyramid. So the question is, the square pyramid has faces. How many faces it is having? See, children, this base we will consider it as one face and this is second, third, fourth, fifth. So these triangular faces are 4 and rectangular face is 1. Total 5 faces it is having. So number of faces are 5. I'll write it here. Number of faces are 5. And how many edges it is having? See, edges means again the sides. The base is having 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 all bases I have counted 4. This is 5. This one is 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 edges it is having. So number of edges are 8. And vertices. How many vertices it is having? See, children. Here it has got 1, 2, 3, 4. So square has got 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. And this one, the top one is 1, fifth one. So total number of vertices that it is having is 5. So these are the answers for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now the next sum, children. The next sum I have written here. See, fill the table. Shapes they have given. 1, 2, 3 shapes they have given. You have to write a number of curved surfaces and a number of plane surfaces and a number of vertices. So, here the first one is a cone. Cone it is. The first one is cone. Curved surface means what, children? This whole surface. This is a cone shape. So in this, curved surface means this whole curved surface. How many curved surfaces it is having? It is having only one curved surface. So here the answer is 1. And number of plane surfaces. Plane surfaces, bottom circle. Circle is plane. So we will be calling it as 1. We have only one plane surfaces. And number of vertices. What is vertex? This one is called vertex. So it has got only one vertex. Next, you have got a cylinder. Let us consider this as a cylinder. This is a cylinder. So in this cylinder, how many number of curved surfaces? See, only one curved surface. The totally it is having only one curved surface. Plane surfaces, see, one is here, one is this side. Two plane surfaces it is having. And is it having any vertex? No vertex. So we will keep dash here. Next one is a sphere. This is a sphere, like a ball it is. It is a sphere. In this sphere, do you have curved surface? Yes, of course. This whole thing is a curved surface. So we will be writing 1. And what are plane surfaces? No plane surface for it. So dash. And of course, when there is no plane and even vertex also is not there, so this is also not there. So this is the answer for third problem, children. Please note it down. Now the next one, fourth one, children. A triangular prism is often in the shape of kaleidoscope. What is kaleidoscope? You are praying a long tube which is in the form of this, you call it as prism. In this prism shape it is, and usually this both the sides will be closed and inside some glass pieces they will keep. So here one lens will be there. So mirror also will be there at the back. So when you turn like this, you will be seeing different shapes inside. You know it, but you don't know its name. It is called kaleidoscope. So triangular prism is often in the form of kaleidoscope. Now the question is, it has a triangular faces. See children, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. I have not closed it, but these two are triangular faces. Now the question is number of triangular faces. How many are there? This is one triangular face. This is one triangular face. So it has got two triangular faces. And rectangular faces. See, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. It has got 3 rectangular faces. Now, number of edges. Edges means this. See, here from here, if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, 9. Totally 9 edges are there here. So we'll be writing it as 9. Now the next one is number of vertices. How many vertices are there? 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices are there. So we will be calling the vertices are 6. So this is fourth problem, children. With this 14.1 exercises completed. Now the next part of your lesson is polygons. What is polygon? See, a closed figure with a definite number of straight lines is called polygon. closed figure. What do you mean by closed figure? Say children, here I will be giving you closed figure and open figure. What is a closed figure? What is an open figure? Closed figure means it is a figure in which all the sides are closed. Suppose it is a figure like this. See, all the edges are joined. No edge is left behind. This is a closed figure. Open figure. What is an open figure? Suppose you have got a figure like this. This is called open figure. Why is it called as an open figure? Because edges are not closed. This is called closed figure because all the edges are closed. So when you are talking about the definition of polygon, a closed figure, always it should be like this. A closed figure with a definite number of straight lines. Straight lines should be certain number. Definite number means it can have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, any number of sides. But all the sides should join together. That kind of ones are called polygons. Actually, the meaning of poly means what, children? Poly means many. Gon means sides. So a closed figure which has got many number of sides are called straight lines. Sides are straight lines. They are called as polygons. So this is the definition of a polygon, and example I have written down here is children. See children, it is triangle with three sides joined, three straight lines joined. Square, all the four straight lines, even rectangle you can take. Then pentagon. Pentagon means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And hexa. Hexa means 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there. So, in this way, the closed polygons means what? Closed figures which has got certain number of straight lines. This is called as polygons. So, please write this introduction, children. Then I will do the next part. Now, the next part is do this sums, children. First one is draw 10 polygons with different shapes in your notebook. So 10 polygons, I said earlier we have done the definition, children. A polygon is a closed figure with a number of straight edges, straight lines. So I have taken few and I have drawn, children, all together. These are all 10. It is not compulsory that you should draw only this. You can draw any type. But the thing is, all should be closed figures with sides, straight lines, no curved surfaces. So these are all 10 polygons. Second one, use matchsticks and form closed figures. Matchsticks by using, you have to form closed figures. So actually, if you use matchsticks, children, how will you do by using matchstick? A matchstick will be in this shape, no? This is matchstick. Now the second problem is use matchsticks and form closed figures. They have given 6 sticks, 5 sticks, 4 sticks like this. So just how to do it as an example, see this one. These are the matchsticks. I have joined the matchsticks. See, this is head, no? So 1, 2, 3. When I joined, what figure I have got? I have got a triangle figure. So in this way, you need to draw the figures. So first one is 6 sticks. So you see, here I have not kept that dot. From here I have kept it because at one place, both of them will not have any dots. See, this back and this back is attached here. Otherwise, you don't get this shape that is asked. So, at one place, I have not drawn here. So, total 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sticks are used. This way, you will get 5 sticks if you use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures you will be getting. And 4 sticks if you use 1, 2, 3, 4 figures you are getting in this way. Now, 2 sticks they have asked. 2 sticks means what, children? 1 and 2. That's all. So the question is, in which case was not possible to form a polygon and why? So we'll say that this is fifth one, no? So in fifth case, it was not possible to form a polygon. Why? Because a polygon must have at least 3 sticks. If you close it only, you will be getting a closed figure. To get a closed figure. So this is at least 3 sticks a polygon should have to make a closed figure. So these are the answers for this. Do this, some children. Please note it down. Children, you should have a thorough knowledge about at least up to 8-sided figures, the names. So this will give you that help. A closed figure with 3 sides. In the earlier do this problem, we have understood that only at least minimum 3 sides should be there to get a closed figure. So with the 3 sides, it is a triangle. The names I am talking about. 4 sides, it is called quadrilateral. So the quadrilateral includes a square, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, any 4. So if the 4-sided figure has a certain properties, like all sides are equal, we call it as a square. Opposite sides are equal, we call it as a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and parallel, we will call it as a parallelogram. Only one pair of opposite sides are equal, we call it a trapezium. So these names are given according to their property. But in general, if you have a figure which is made up of 4 sides, we call it as a quadrilateral. Quadra means 4. Quadra means 4, lateral means sides, quadrilateral. Next, 5-sided figure is a pentagon. 5 means penta, 5 pentagon. 6-sided figure is hexagon. We call it as hexagon. 7-sided figure is called a septagon, and 8-sided figure is called octagon. So these names you should remember, children. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, septagon, octagon. These names you please remember. Please note it down. Now the next part is about regular polygons, children. Regular polygons means what? Polygons means you have already understood. A closed figure with sides. So in the earlier case, when we are talking about the sides, we didn't think about how the sides are. What is the measure of the side? What is the measure of the angles that are formed by joining these sides? We didn't discuss about that at all. Only polygon means it is a figure which is formed by joining sides. That's all. But it is the next one is a regular polygon. What is the meaning of regular polygon? A regular polygon is formed only when a closed figure with all the sides are of equal measure and all the angles are also equal measure. Then only we call it as a regular polygon. So when you have a definition, a polygon with equal sides and equal angles is called a regular polygon. As an example, we can take equilateral triangle. Equi means equal sides, you know that. All the 3 sides are equal, even angles. Each angle is 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. All the angles are equal, all the sides are equal. So it is an example of regular polygon. Apart from this, if you take square, even square will have all the 4 sides are equal and all the angles are making 90 degrees. So in this way, regular polygon, the difference between polygon and regular polygon, you should have a thorough knowledge, children. Polygon, so in the problem, these words you should very carefully observe. Polygon means it is only a closed figure. There is no relation between the sides. There is no relation between the angles. But a regular polygon is the one which is having all the sides should be equal, all the angles should be equal. Only then we call it as a regular polygon. Please note it down. Now, exercise 14.2, first one, children. Examine whether the following are polygons and if not, why. So, see this. Is it a polygon? Of course, it is having sides, but they are not joined. So, it is not a polygon. Why is it? Because it is not closed. It is not closed. That means it is open. So it is not a polygon. And this is a polygon. Why? It is a closed figure. It is a closed figure, so it is a polygon. And it is not a polygon. Why is it not a polygon? Because there are no sides. Even though it is a closed figure, we cannot call it as a polygon because polygon should have sides. Gon means sides. But it has no sides, it has only a curved surface. So we call it as not a polygon. So there are no sides, so it is not a polygon. This is first problem, children. Second one, count the number of sides of the polygon and given below and name them. You have to name them. So these are the figures they have given. So here I am writing the answers. The first one, you see how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are there. So the number of sides are 5. So we call it as a pentagon. Okay. Now the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides are there. So because it is having 8 sides, we call it as octagon. Next, third one. It is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it is having 6 sides. So we call it as hexagon. And fourth one, 1, 2, 3 sides are there. So we call it as a triangle. So these are all the answers for this problem, children. Please note it down. Exercise 14.2, first and second problems. Now, third problem, children. Third problem, identify the regular polygons among the figures given below. What is the meaning of regular polygons? As I told you, regular polygons are those polygons which are having all the sides as equal and all the angles are equal. So here, when you take this one, see, it is a square. So the first one is a regular polygon. Why you say so? All sides and angles are equal. So we call first one as a regular polygon. Second one, it is not a regular polygon. Why? Sides are not, even if sides will not be equal and also angles will not be equal. And even this third one is also not a regular polygon because the sides, measures and angles will not be equal. But this one, fourth one is a regular polygon. Fourth one is also a regular polygon. Why is it? The reason is same. All sides and angles are equal. So we call it as, what is this, children? This is a figure. First one is a square we have got. And the next one is a hexagon. Okay. The second one is hexagon. This is CCH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 sides means we are calling it as hexagon. It is a hexagon. So we call it as a regular one. Then this is not, even though it is a triangle, but you can see the sides are not having the same measure. So definitely angles will not be. But this will be a regular polygon because all the 3 sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So fifth one is a regular polygon. Here also all sides and angles are equal. So it is actually an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. So I hope I am clear, children. The difference between polygon and regular polygon, with the help of this you can understand. Please note it down. Now with this, by God's grace, I have completed total 6th class textbook, children. I hope I have made your necessities solved. I hope I am clear to you all. If you have any doubt in any chapter, in any problem, please give a comment. Definitely, I will explain you once again. Thank you, children.